Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create PDF file in mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. To create the PDF file, we need Microsoft application. So make sure you have installed this application in your mobile phone. And after you have this application installed, you can open this application. And to create the PDF file, we need to create the Word file first. We can click on this plus button and then select the Word. Okay, and I'm just going to choose blank document. Okay, and then you can start to type here. I'm just going to type in PDF file. Okay, and after that, we're going to save this document. You can click on these three dots and then you can click on save as. And I'm going to name it PDF doc. Okay, and I'm going to save it to this device. I'm just going to save it to the document folder and then I'm going to click on save. Okay, and now the Word document has been saved to my device and I'm going to go back to the main menu. Okay, this is the Word document we have just created and I'm going to convert it to PDF. We can click on these three dots and then click on convert to PDF. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now the PDF file has been created. I'm going to save it. Okay, I'm going to save it to my device. All right, and this is the PDF file we have just created, guys. And I guess that's all the way to create PDF file in mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.